Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong math problem coming from Advanced Mathematics, and this was asked by one of our subscribers. And ang hinahanap niya daw is, paano daw kukunin Sir IJ yung Laplace transform ng f of t is equal to sine cube 10t. So normally kasi, di ba, may mga formula tayo for the Laplace transform of basic trigonometric functions. Let's say na meron tayong Laplace transform. Let us just recall first, mga Lodi Kicks. Ang Laplace transform ng sine at is equal to a all over s squared plus a squared. So ito yung mga basic formulas. Dapat kabisado nyo na. Especially kapag sa actual boards, lalo na dun sa mga may ganitong tanong, maganda kasi na diretso natin alam tong mga to kaysa nagamitin natin yung yung calculator technique na medyo mahaba pa. Kasi mas maganda kung direkta mong alam, mas mabilis mo siya masasagutan. Pero kung hindi mo naman alam, basta alam mo yung caltech ng Laplace, okay din. So, it's either kung ano man yung gusto mo, pero mas maganda kung alam mo parehas. Okay, so the Laplace transform of cosine 80 is equal to s all over s squared plus a squared. The problem here, Sir IJ, is that the given is sine cube 10t. So that is a cubic trigonometric, that is the cube of a sine. So anong gagawin natin dyan? Kasi kailangan natin gawin ganito, sine tsaka cosine lang. Okay, so alam natin na ang sine cube 10t can be written as sine 10t multiplied by sine squared of 10t. Okay guys, let us recall Kasi 'di ba parang x times x squared is equal to x cubed. So same thing goes for this sine cube 10t. So paano gagawin natin diyan, Sir IJ? So the sine squared 10t, dapat i-reduce natin to into its double angle. Actually, this is half angle. So another recall tayo guys. Recap natin that the sine squared of x is equal to 1 half minus 1 half cosine of 2x. Okay? Kung cosine squared naman yan, that is plus. So at least magkakaroon na tayo ng ganito guys. Tama ba, Sir IJ? So lagay na rin natin yung cosine squared guys. Cosine squared x is equal to 1 half plus 1 half cosine of 2x. Actually, galing lang naman natin sa identity ng cosine 2x. Tapos dinerive na lang yung sine squared and cosine squared doon. So ano na mangyari dito, Lodi Geeks? So we have sine of 10t multiplied by the sine squared 10t will be written as this one. So that is 1 half minus 1 half cosine of 2x. Ang x natin dito is 10t. So 2 times 10t, that is 20t. Okay? So anong gagawin natin dyan, Lodi Cakes? So isimplify natin by distributing the sine 10t into the expressions or into the terms of the one in the parentheses or in the bracket. So we have 1 half sine of 10t minus 1 half sine of 10t cosine of 20t. Okay guys? I hope this one is clear Kasi kung hindi ito clear, so medyo magkakaroon tayo ng problem. Okay, so anong gagawin natin dito, Lodi Cakes? Naalala nyo pa ba guys yung identity nito? Okay, so ano nang gagawin natin dyan, Sir IJ? Eto, meron tayong direct Laplace kasi makukuha na natin agad yung Laplace transform yan. Kasi meron tayong A, tapos over S squared plus A squared na lang. However, for this case, kailangan mga Lodi, alam natin yung identity ng sine A, cosine B. Okay, kasi sine A, cosine B siya, magkaiba po siya. So, alam natin that sine A, cosine B is equal to, okay, dapat alam nyo to mga Lodi Geeks 1 half sine of A plus B plus 1 half sine of A minus B. Okay? Sana po klaro siya mga idolo So, magiging 1 half sine of A plus B plus 1 half sine of A minus B. So, ano nang mangyari, Lodi Kicks? Ang mangyari dyan, syempre, yung A natin will be 10t and yung B natin will be 20t. So, we have a sine of 10t cosine of 20t is equal to 1 half sine of the sum of 10t plus 20t. Okay guys, I hope that's clear Plus 1 half sine of 10t minus. Okay? Klaro ba mga idolo? 1 half sine of 10t minus 20t. I hope that is all clear for us. Okay, mga Lodi Geeks, so ano nang gagawin natin dyan sa IJ? Eh di, ang gagawin na natin dito is, simplify na natin. So we have 1/2 sine of 30t plus 1/2 sine of negative 10t. Okay? So ano nang gagawin natin dyan? Actually, pwede naman natin itong gawin mga Lodi Geeks gamit tayo ng negative angle identity. Kasi negative siya eh. So ang gusto kasi natin gawin is to make it a positive angle dun sa loob. Right? Okay, so anong mangyari dyan? So let us recall, another recap, that sine of negative x, recall that sine is an odd function. So dapat alam natin that is equal to negative sine of x. Kapag cosine naman, that is an even function. Recall natin that cosine of negative x is equal to cosine of x. I hope that's clear for everyone, ha? So that is equal to 1/2 sine of 30t minus, magiging minus na siya kasi negative eh, minus 1/2 sine of 10t. Okay? So ito po yan guys ha, makinig pong maigi. Mga Lodi Cakes, ito po yan, yung sine 10t cosine of 20t. Yan yung ilalagay natin dito. Right? So ano na mangyari Sir IJ? Sige guys, burahin ko lang to ha, burahin ko muna to. So pwede nyo namang i-post yung video if you want to copy or to take down notes. So ano na mangyari dyan Sir IJ? So i-rewrite na natin siya based from what we've obtained. So 1/2 sine of 10t minus 1/2 multiplied by 1/2 sine of 30t minus 1/2 sine of 10t. Okay guys, I hope that's clear for everyone and I'll just erase this. Tapos mapapansin natin guys, this is 1/2. Negative 1/2 times negative 1/2, that's positive 1/4. Makinig maigi mga Lodi Cakes. Sin 10t to. Ito sin 10t. So pwede natin siyang i-combine. We are combining like terms. So 1/2 sin 10t, negative negative. So that's plus 1/4. 1/2 plus 1/4, that is 3/4, Sir IJ. 3/4 sine of 10t minus 1/4 sine of 30t. And then we can directly compute for the Laplace transform of the sine function. So we have 3/4. Ang sine is a, so that is multiplied by 10 all over s squared plus 10 squared. So minus 1/4 multiplied by 30 all over s squared plus 900, or that's 30 squared. Sorry, masyadong mabilis. Baka masyadong advanced. Okay, so yan ang mangyari guys. Ano mapapansin natin? 3 times 10, that is 30 over 4. So that is 15 over 2. 3 times 10, 30 over 4, that's 15 over 2. Same thing goes for the right side or the second term. 1 times 30, that is 30 over 4, which is also equal to 15 over 2. So we can factor out the 15 over 2 multiplied by 1 over s squared plus 100 minus 1 over s squared plus 900. Actually, if ako yung professor nyo, this is considered correct. But you can also simplify this by getting the LCD. So, magiging s squared plus 100 times s squared plus 900 and then cross-multiply. So, parang ang mangyayari kasi dyan, kapag sinimplify nyo siya guys, I hope kayang-kaya nyo na i-simplify yan. 900 minus 100, the s squared will be cancelled. It will become 800. 800 times 15 over 2, that is 800 times 15, 12,000 over 2. So, the final answer in terms of its simplest form is 6,000 over s squared plus 100 multiplied by s squared plus 900. Or you can distribute the denominator. Pero kung ako yung professor nyo, okay na to. Goods na kay Sir IJ. Okay? Ayan. So I hope guys, meron kayo natutunan for today's video, and if ever you have questions or clarifications, huwag po kayo maya magtanong sa comment section. And maraming salamat sa mga Lodi Cakes natin na patuloy na sumusupport sa channel natin. I hope you all the best. May God bless you always, and advance Merry Christmas. Happy holidays guys. Bye-bye.